Okay, so we'll take a look at how you can integrate Outlook with Notion, and we are going to use Zapier for this. So I logged into Zapier dashboard, and here you see option to integrate your apps. Just scroll a bit more and you will see that. Right now, these are some of the apps that I already added. Right, I will search for Outlook. You can type in Microsoft Outlook and it also shows you this. Now I'll try and connect this. We'll open window and it will let you log in. You have to give it a permission and should accept that dialog box. Then it will show the connected message here. It will reload as well. Right now I want to create a zap, so I'll go back to dashboard and you can use prompt or you can use classic view as well. So I will say within the prompt that when email comes in Outlook, add entry into the Notion. Right now, what can we do here in this context is right. So when email comes in Outlook, then create a database entry into Notion. So we will have to create a page as well, and then we can add the entry. So let's generate this and see if Zap comes up. And here is a sync Outlook emails to Notion database. So what I will do is I will go to Notion, should add one of the page there. So once we add page, we will create a database entry basically with two columns that will take the email sender and another will take one of the option for subject. So I already have that database here, so no need to create. What you have to do is just add the page, add the database, and just within the table edit these two columns. Now once we have that, we'll go back to dashboard and then we will try and create this basically connection that will make use of trigger when new email comes in Microsoft Outlook and then database entry comes in Notion. So what I will do is I will click on continue. Trigger will ask you to choose the inbox. Right, so if you have any, you can just enter that. Simply click next, test the trigger. Right, so it should connect to Outlook. Right, so everything connected. Now we will go back to one of the email formats where we will take two things, which is subject and name of sender. Right, now we will just move. Now here within your Notion we will click continue. Now here within database I will have to use this particular Gmail Zapier page. Right, now next thing would be to basically choose one of the option is sender. Sender email address. Right, and then I will also choose subject. Right, so choose a value. Right, so we also have one of the values contain. You can contain format, you can choose plain text, then we can just continue. Right, now let's taste this particular Zap and see if that actually works. Right, even within the test you will notice that it will kind of add one of the entry here, and if you see that sync happening, that means your Zap worked for emails to sync from Outlook to Notion. Right, so this was basically the flow where you are supposed to take data from Outlook into the Notion.